In this video, I'd like to cover snippets. Snippets are essentially used for frequently used phrases. They are shortcuts for things that we say to our clients on a regular basis, so we don't have to keep typing them again and again. So things like, I look forward to working with you, kind regards. All of these things can be set up as snippets within HubSpot. And then once the snippets are set up, we can then use these snippets in our emails, or if you've connected Outlook or Gmail, we can then straight away start using these snippets from the email server. To create snippets, we can simply go to conversation or snippets, or we also have an option to create snippets from here. So if you create an email here, at the bottom, we'll see insert snippet, and we can create a new snippet from here, which opens in a new tab and allows us and takes us to the snippets function. So simply you can either create a snippet from the email or click on conversation and snippets, but it will take us to the same spot. Now here we've got a list of all the snippets we have created, and we can obviously create a new snippet as well. All we have to do is give it a name and snippet text. Let's say, I can't wait to see you. Best. So you can also create shortcuts for these snippets. So if we create, let's say, 50, 60, 70 snippets, we can then use these shortcuts to find them very quickly instead of searching for these snippets. So hashtag ABC. And we save this snippet. We can also personalize these snippets by adding things like different properties that we've got in the contacts. For example, the contact information from the contact record. So there's a few options here. Not that we need to add a contact ID, but just for example's sake, I'll just drop the contact ID here, and then we'll save this as a snippet. Now, if we go back to our contact, we can very quickly just search for these snippets. So I'll just close this and open the email again. So we are emailing this contact. And to insert a snippet, we'll simply just go to insert snippet. And this is the one we had just created. So I can't wait to see you. And it drops that snippet in the email box. And that's the contact ID for this person or for this contact, which is why it was displaying here. And same thing, we can also change the snippet. If we don't want to use this anymore, we want to use something else, we can add that as well. So it really allows us to save a few seconds by not typing the same thing that we send to most of our clients on a regular basis. So in that case, we can use snippets. Now, we can add different meeting links to different types of snippets as well. So if there are things that you do on a regular basis, for example, a meeting online or a meeting in person, and you want to add your meeting links just for that particular purpose, you can simply just create those snippets with those meeting links that can then be dropped accordingly. But overall, snippets really just allow you to save those additional seconds or a few minutes that would be used to type those emails that may not be required on a regular basis.